What if I told you that in just 3 days, you could help your body naturally cleanse your intestines and support your liver function? No expensive supplements, no complicated detoxes, just simple natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share a powerful juice combination that has helped thousands of people feel lighter, more energetic, and revitalized. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal the secret ingredient that makes this work so effectively. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt bloated, sluggish, or just heavy, like your body is carrying around extra weight that shouldn't be there? Here's a curious fact. Did you know that your intestines are about 25 feet long? That's right, nearly as long as a school bus. And throughout your life, they process over 40 tons of food. Imagine all the residue that can build up over the years. And your liver? This incredible organ performs over 500 different functions every single day. It filters your blood, produces bile to digest fats, and works tirelessly to remove toxins from your system. But when it's overworked, you might experience fatigue, digestive issues, or even skin problems. Now, here's another interesting question. What if your low energy, occasional constipation, or that uncomfortable bloating aren't just normal aging, but signs that your digestive system needs support? The good news? Your body has an amazing ability to heal and regenerate itself when you give it the right tools. And that's exactly what we're going to do today with this 3-day cleansing juice protocol. So grab a pen and paper because you'll want to write this down. Let's get started. Why this cleanse works. First of all, let's understand why this works. This isn't about harsh laxatives or extreme fasting. Instead, we're using nature's most powerful digestive aids to, first, gently stimulate your intestinal movements, helping your body eliminate accumulated waste naturally. Second, provide your liver with specific nutrients it needs to perform its detoxification processes more efficiently. And third, flood your system with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support healing and regeneration. Think of it as giving your digestive system a well-deserved vacation while still keeping it gently active. The power ingredients. This cleanse uses 5 key ingredients and each one has a specific job. Ingredient number 1. Prunes. Prunes are nature's gentle laxative. They contain sorbitol, a natural sugar that draws water into your intestines, making elimination easier and more comfortable. Just 6 prunes provide about 4 grams of fiber. That's nearly 20% of your daily needs. Ingredient number 2. Beets. Beets are a liver superstar. They contain betaine, a compound that helps your liver cells eliminate toxins and protects them from damage. Beets also increase bile production, which is essential for digesting fats and removing waste. Ingredient number 3. Apples. You know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts like a broom, sweeping through your intestines and binding to toxins so they can be eliminated. They also feed the good bacteria in your gut. Ingredient number 4. Lemon. Fresh lemon juice is incredibly alkalizing and helps stimulate digestive juices. It's also packed with vitamin C, which your liver needs to produce glutathione, one of your body's most powerful antioxidants. Ingredient number 5. Fresh ginger. This is our secret weapon. Ginger reduces inflammation, speeds up digestion, and helps prevent nausea. It also stimulates the production of bile and other digestive enzymes. A small piece goes a long way. The 3-day protocol. Now, here's exactly what you'll do for 3 days. Morning routine, the prune base. Every morning, about 30 minutes before breakfast, you'll drink what I call the morning activator. Here's the recipe. 6 prunes soaked in warm water overnight, the soaking water from the prunes, 1 medium beet, raw and chopped, 1 apple with skin chopped, juice of half a lemon, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 cup of water. Blend everything together until smooth. If it's too thick, add a little more water. This should make about 16 to 20 ounces of juice. Drink this slowly over about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't gulp it down. Important tip. Start your day with a glass of warm water with lemon before this juice. This prepares your digestive system. Throughout the day, drink plenty of water, at least 8 glasses. Water is essential for this cleanse to work properly. Eat light, easily digestible meals. Focus on steamed vegetables, leafy greens, whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, lean proteins if you eat meat. Avoid heavy dairy, fried foods, processed foods, and excessive meat. Evening routine. 2 hours before bed, drink a simple apple ginger tea. Slice one apple thinly, add a few slices of fresh ginger. Pour hot water over them. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Drink slowly. This gentle evening drink helps continue the cleansing process overnight. What to expect each day. Day 1. You'll likely notice increased bowel movements. This is normal and good. You might feel slightly tired as your body begins the cleansing process. Rest when you need to. Day 2. More energy starts returning. Your bowel movements should be regular and easy. You might notice your skin looks clearer. Day 3. Many people report feeling significantly lighter and more energetic. Your digestion should feel smoother, and that bloated feeling should be greatly reduced. After the 3 days. You can repeat this cleanse once a month, or simply incorporate the morning juice 2 to 3 times per week as part of your regular routine. Safety and precautions. Now, before you rush to your kitchen, let me share some important safety information. Who should be careful or avoid this cleanse? If you're taking any medications, especially blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. Beets can interact with certain medications. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar, as this juice contains natural sugars from fruit. If you have kidney problems, consult your healthcare provider, as beets are high in oxalates. Pregnant or nursing mothers should consult their doctor before trying any cleansing protocol. If you have IBS or inflammatory bowel disease, start with half portions to see how your body responds. Normal side effects include increased bathroom visits. That's the point. Slightly darker or reddish urine or stools from the beets. This is harmless. Mild headaches on day 1. Stay hydrated. Temporary fatigue. Your body is working hard. When to stop. If you experience severe cramping, diarrhea that doesn't stop, dizziness, or any concerning symptoms, stop the cleanse and consult a healthcare provider. Remember, this is a gentle cleanse, not an extreme detox. Listen to your body. Pro tips for success. Here are my top tips to get the best results. Tip 1. Prepare your prunes the night before. This makes your morning routine much easier. Tip 2. Use organic produce when possible, especially for apples and beets, as you'll be consuming the skins. Tip 3. If you don't have a high-powered blender, you can juice these ingredients instead, but you'll lose some of the valuable fiber. Tip 4. Keep a journal. Write down how you feel each day, your energy levels, and any changes you notice. This helps you track your progress. Tip 5. Support your body with light exercise. A 20-minute walk each day helps stimulate digestion and elimination. Tip 6. If the taste is too earthy for you, add half an orange or a small handful of berries to the morning juice. The goal is to actually drink it. And here's a bonus tip. After completing the 3 days, gradually reintroduce foods. Don't immediately go back to heavy meals. Your digestive system will thank you. And there you have it, friends. A simple, natural 3-day protocol to help support your intestinal and liver health. Remember, your body is incredible. It has an amazing ability to heal and regenerate when you give it the right support. This isn't about perfection. It's about taking small, consistent steps toward better health. Just a friendly reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Make sure to check in with your doctor about any health concerns. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried something similar before? What were your results? And if you try this 3-day cleanse, please come back and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Your experience might inspire someone else to take action. If you found this video helpful, please type natural detox in the comments and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people who could benefit from this information. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next recipe. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. See you in the next video.